Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Hearing a popping sound in your ear when you yawn is usually due to the eustachian tube opening and equalizing pressure between the middle ear and the atmosphere. This is generally normal and helps maintain ear pressure balance. If the popping is accompanied by discomfort or persists, consider seeing a doctor to rule out underlying issues such as eustachian tube dysfunction or ear infections.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.